Hey there, let's do some MRT second phase works. It's rain coming. Okay, there's clouds there, but let's try before the rain comes. And a bit about the MRT second phase. There's some temporary hoarding setup here, as was the case the first time. Only now they have started doing some actual work. They are preparing for the ground. For the road to be widened, moved actually. But in the middle there, you can hear construction work needs to be done. The tunnel boring machine is putting it on somewhere. So let's have a look. These are ongoing works. We've narrowed the pavement here because we're going to move the traffic left to the left, so that middle part can be used for the working activities later on. Over there as well, in the middle you can see there some ground works being prepared. So the bus lane is closed and moved, putting up the boarding. This bus stop here is not going to be affected. Will stay open during construction. The next one, north, will be closed or has been closed already because that area is needed to do ground preparation. More ground works here. Really special at the moment. Just that the bus lane is closed and merged with the normal traffic lanes. You can see more work being done. So preparations to move the lanes to the outside. Because here there will be another underground station constructed. This will actually become the crossover station. The two lines were crossed, the north-south, the current one is being extended, and the east-west line. That's a whole different story. I'll come back to you later on that. On this side of the road also you can see the preparation works being done. Lanes will be moved to the outside, to allow for easy access on the middle part, which we'll see a lot of construction work in the coming 2-3 years. I only noticed now they almost create like kind of a maze. You're walking on the left and cross to the right, and it's like zigzagging around. So let's see that from downstairs. Even on the floor here to indicate where you should go. That's typical Japanese, if you ask me. Really polite way of helping people. So now we're on the outside. It used to be the cycling lane, and that's the bridge from the footage a few seconds ago. Last time I walked here, this was still all boarded up until the intersection. Only they were moving the underground power cables and stuff like that, and preparing this concrete lane for, like I said, to move all the lanes outward. to allow for construction in the middle later on this year. That will be early next year, I think, but it's already October. If you remember the previous video, I will also link to it below. Maybe place a card if I can do that. In front of us there used to be a pedestrian bridge, pedestrian crossing, that has now completely been demolished because it's in the way of the future underground station here. Inside the bus station, this is the former exit onto the bridge. It has been removed now. So it's only one. There's markers in place to indicate future lanes being created, moved, walls being put up, segments put up. And here the preparation works are ongoing for also moving the lanes outward. Some concrete has been poured. This pavement will get very narrow, but once it's finished, construction of the station is finished, most likely the pavement will be almost as wide as this new barrier to allow for easy access to platforms and to modernize Jakarta a little bit more, promote walking instead of taking the car or motorcycle. There's more markings now than there was last time. Pedestrian lane in place here as well. You can see it's on the zigzagging again. So can't move it. I think we can. I think we should, I'm not sure. Well, anyway, this will be fenced off pretty shortly, I think. Now it's just a few holes left. They've been doing some work earlier. Fences have been removed now. So the lane will be extended as well. You can see there's markings over there, so that the pavements will get really small. We know, but that's just for the project time. Later on it will probably extend up to this area. Now we have already removed some of the original pavements. And the temporary one gets really small, but we'll have to live with it for the next 2-3 years. We'll get back something nice here, that's for sure. The direct environment of the metro stations will also be taken care of by the construction companies that construct the metro system. So that's one package, fortunately. All the way there. Behind the police station there's more works, but those are all fenced up. 3-meter fences, green color. Nothing to see there yet. Thank you for watching this short video and catch you later.